Now, two curves are intersecting. Intersecting means they are meeting at 2 points. Point 1, point 2. We are not bothered about second point. On this point, if I have drawn a tangent to the first curve, at this point I am drawing a tangent to the second curve. So the angle between the curves is 90 degrees. Means slope of first line m1, slope of second line m2. Their product is -1. This is the concept. What you need to do here, curves intersects orthogonally means you have to think of the tangents. We need how many tangents? 2 tangents and these 2 points. To get that one, whenever curves are given to you, write down the curves given. Curve 1, y square equals to 4 into x plus 1. And second curve, y square equals to 36 into 9 minus x. We need point of intersections first. To get the point of intersection, we have to solve these two. Now solving means equation type is not given to us. Y square is common, so we will equate them to get the answer. If the questions are in equation form, that means ax plus by plus c, then we have another a1x plus b1, then we can solve second term, third term, first term, second term. Here it is not possible. So what we will do, equating 1 and 2 to get that points. How will we get that point? Check it out. Y square, now substituting second in 1. This value we am substituting here. Or we can say this value I am substituting in this one. 4 into x plus 1 equal to 36 into 9 minus x. Multiples outside will get cancelled 4 9s. So x plus 1 equals to 81 minus 9x. Minus 9x comes here plus 9x. 81 is there already, 1 comes here, minus 1. 10x equals to 80. X equals to 80 by 10. 8. Once we got the value of x, substitute that x value in equation 1. So y square equals to 4 into x plus 1. So y square equals to 4 into 9. Y square equals to 36. Y equal to square goes that side, becomes plus or minus root 36. Plus or minus 6. Now we have points of intersection. These 2 points we got. How we got these points? First is x value 8 comma 6 and q is equals to
8
these 2 points. Step 1 is over. What we have done, whenever curves are given to you, to prove that the curves are intersecting orthogonally means there are 2 tangents which are making 90 degrees at the point of intersection. So by equating these 2 curves, what we got? We got point of intersections. 2 points we got. So what I said earlier, second point we are ignoring the second point. Think that we got 8 comma 6. That point. What we need now? We need tangents. To get tangents, what we need? Slopes. So m1 and m2 are the slopes. We have to write down 2 curves now. First curve 4 into x plus 1 and curve 2
y is 36 into 9 minus 6.
differentiating both sides. To get the tangent, first we need derivative.
dy by dx
4 into bracket d by dx of x.
plus dy by dx
Here also same thing, d by dx of y square equals to
36 by dy by dx dy by dx.
Y square derivative. Suppose x square n into x power n minus 1 into d by dx of y. 4 into 1 plus 0. 2 into y power 2 minus 1 into dy by dx. Then 36 into, this is 0. We will not write 0, minus 1 we will write. Okay, so dy by dx is how much? 4 by 2y. dy by dx equals to 2 by y. Here dy by dx equals to minus 36 by 2y. So dy by dx equals to minus 18 by y. Clear? Once again check this one. We need point of intersections. So first curves are given to you. We are equating both the curves or solving both the curves. We will get 2 points, P and Q. Once we got the points, we have to find derivative of first curve, derivative of second curve, dy by dx of first curve, dy by dx of second curve. Then we have to write m1. While writing m1, this is 2 by y1 now. Here m2, y1. What is x1 and y1 here? 2 by 6. Here m2 equals to m1 is 1 by 3, m2 is minus 3. Now you have to find m1 into m2. 1 by 3 into minus 3. So how about what? Minus 1. Therefore lines are perpendicular, or lines we are not writing because they mentioned that intersects orthogonally. Who intersects orthogonally? Curves intersects orthogonally. Once again check this. 3 problems are there of same type. 2 curves will be given to you and we have to prove that they are orthogonal to each other. So what we have to do, equation 1, equation 2, equating 1 and 2 or solving 1 and 2, we will get point x value. Once we got x value, substitute in 1, we will get y value, value or values. How many points we got in total? 2 points, P and Q. So we are not taking, if you take Q, you can find same thing, you can get angle 90 degrees only. Perpendicular, minus 1 means the angle made by the tangents is 90 degrees. Or we can just say that if m1 into m2 is minus 1, they are perpendicular, they are making 90 degrees. I am not showing that 90 degrees, just I am showing that product of the slopes is minus 1. That means the angle made by the tangent is 90. Or what we have to do after that, y square, first slope, differentiating both sides. Differentiating also you have to remember, this is x power n into x power n minus 1 into whatever we are treating as x, dy by dx. Then differentiating right side in bracket, constant outside. Then we got m1. Whenever you get any value of m1, 2 by y1, where is that y1? x1, y1, y1 we can substitute. In the previous question, y1 value is not given to us. Point P is x1, y1. That's why we are just taking y1. Now what we are doing in place of y1? We are taking the value 6. Here also value 6. Cancellation have been done. m1 and m2 values are there. We have to write down the m1 and m2 value. And we have to get minus 1. Once the value is minus 1, we can say that yes, angle made by the curves or made by the tangents with the curves is 90 degrees. Curves intersects orthogonally. Okay? Copy.